Papaya leaf juice is used in traditional medicine to treat dengue fever and other maladies. So in today's video, we're going to be sharing some of the benefits of papaya leaf juice and how to make it. Stay tuned. Papaya leaf juice is a juice that is made from the leaves of this tree, which is scientifically known as Carica papaya. Now in Jamaica, we commonly refer to it as a papaya tree. But most of the times, you'll hear the natives commonly referring to it as a papaw tree. These are the fruits that the tree produces, and they're also commonly referred to as papaw by Jamaicans. Now, in the past, we published 2 other videos about papayas. In one of them, we showed you how you can use papaya seeds to help rid the body of intestinal parasites. And in the other video, we shared the benefits that you can get from eating an unripened papaya and some of the ways in which you can consume it. So if you wish to see these videos, then please click on the links in the description below. People consume papaya leaf juice to help them to recover from dengue fever. In extreme cases, dengue can cause a reduction in platelet levels, which can increase the risk of bleeding, and if it is left untreated, it can be fatal. So the juice is said to help to boost platelet formation and counts. It is also said to be good for the liver because it has powerful liver cleansing properties, and so people drink it to treat a variety of chronic liver conditions like jaundice and liver cirrhosis. People also consume it to help them to lower their blood sugar levels and to cure menstrual pain and reduce the symptoms of PMS. It is said to have anti-malarial properties, and so people use it to help control malarial fever and to treat digestive issues like gas, bloating, heartburn, and constipation. People also use it to build their immune systems, and they use it topically too, by applying it to their scalp to help remove excess oil and dirt, and also to help with dandruff and itching scalp. In addition to that, they also consume it regularly, and it is said to help nourish the hair, prevent dandruff, hair fall, etc. It is also rich in vitamins C and A, and so it is said to help with improving skin health. So people drink the juice and they also use it topically by applying it to their faces, and it is said that regular application can help to remove things like pimples, excess oil, dirt, acne, etc. And it is also said to help reduce face blemishes and fine lines. It also has anti-inflammatory effects, so people use it to treat different inflammatory conditions, including muscle aches and joint pain. Okay guys, so this is a very simple recipe and all you really need is just a few fresh papaya leaves and some cooled boiled water. Now before we begin showing you exactly how this is done, I'm going to ask you to hit that like button right now if you have found value in the video so far. Please also drop a comment and share this video as well so that others can benefit from this information. If you're new here, we would like to welcome you to the channel. If you like what you see and you would like to see more videos like this one in the future, then please go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. And please also turn on your post notifications so that you do not miss any of our future uploads. Thank you so much guys. Now let's get right back to the video. So the first thing that you're going to do guys is to remove the stems. Then you are going to wash the leaves properly. Then you are going to cut them into small pieces. After you're done, you're going to add your ingredients to a blender and you're going to blend until the mixture is smooth. So it should take roughly about a minute or so. Then you're going to strain the liquid into a glass. And there you have it, your papaya leaf juice. Now this juice has a very bitter taste, so if you wish to improve the taste, you can add some sugar or a bit of salt before you drink it. To treat the symptoms of dengue, it is also said that one can have up to 100 milliliters of this juice in 3 parts during the day. Medical disclaimer: the information shared on Earth's Medicine is for the purpose of enlightenment. It is not to be used as a substitute for pharmaceutical medicine. If you are feeling ill or you have any health concerns, please speak to your doctor about same.